Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that do not close the case. At the back side of the charging case we have a connection button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light inside the charging case flashed rapidly 3 times. So I'm just press and hold on it, and firstly it entered to prank mode, and here we go. Now we can release the finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the device list. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds device list. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after a hard reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. So we can see it at the device list, then tap on it, and if you have Android, after that click Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!